human limitations, and in particular my human limitations. I wish I was so much better in my cognitive abilities, my memory, my IQ, my emotional intelligence, my my everything, my all my cognitive functions were much so much better. But also my all biology, like my muscles, my bones, my teeth, my maybe my hair, everything. I wish my body, my all biology was so much better in everything. I wish I was very human. I already try to be the best human I can be, mentally, physically, and internally in my biology by being vegan, but also trying to eat as healthy as I can and try to do the best as I can, and also meditate and whatever I can I try. But I wish I could. I wish I had better biology, but also that is genetics with my parents, and that is biology. And I didn't make my DNA. I didn't make my DNA. It's biology. No person have made its own biology, its own DNA and its own biology. We are a product of our parents, and their parents are a product of their parents, successively to the original life, and life itself is a product of Earth and the solar system and the galaxy and the universe. And so we are nature. We are products from nature. We are nature. And I wish I understand math, science, maybe engineering, coding. I wish I have a much better brain to understand these topics. I'm trying to read a math book, but at the moment I'm reading kind of slowly. Some time ago I was reading a little bit faster, now a little bit slower. Today I haven't read it, and yesterday just even less than a page. Um, Today I haven't. Hopefully I'll read a little more today. So um, and I was to be a physicist, but I didn't finish my college degree. I just basically did the first year of college, basically, almost the first year, and then I didn't continue. And so I wish I was a physicist or scientist. To be honest, if I could, I would know all science and all math and all engineering. I wish I was like ChatGPT, the future ChatGPT, or even present ChatGPT, or even Gemini. I wish I have better cognitive abilities. I wish I knew everything about biology, chemistry, um, geology, physics, math, programming or coding, anything about science and math and engineering and technology. I wish I knew. However, no one could do everything. No one can do rocket science and at the same time doing particle physics and genetics. It's will be a little crazy unless you are like a super AI that covers everything and all fields. Um, but I wish I could be much better. I wish I will know knew so much things about just knowing will be a great achievement for me to understand reality. However, I am already living within reality, in particularly on Earth, in the particular location where I live, um, and so I I wish I was so much better in my biology. I wish I could. I wish I was much better. I wish I haven't these limitations. I see myself. the process. I wish I, for example, could fix my teeth. This, this. I wish I could fix my teeth. However, there is dentists, but I have low money. But I wish I could improve everything about my biology, my eyes, everything. And I wish I was still knew many things, like I said, about science, math, engineering, technology, and not sure what else to say more. We are living in this earth, and we are product of earth, and there's also decisions we made, decisions, understanding, perceptions, uh, realizations. That's all. And this is me sharing these ideas, and I wish I was much better. And not sure what else to say more. We are a product of reality. We are reality. We are reality knowing itself by the atoms. We are made of atoms. For example, different atoms basically are fuse hydrogens or more. It's fusion of different hydrogens basically. It's protons and neutrons and electrons that different combinations of proton and neutrons make different elements like carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and so on. And those atoms make different molecules, and different molecules in a particular arrangement make biology with different cells, and cells make tissues, and tissues make organs, and organs arise to complex systems like ourselves, humans. And I am just a human, just I think just a normal human. Maybe I'm just a little bit above average, maybe not, maybe I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'm, but I wish I was a genius, and more than that, I wish I was beyond genius. To be honest, to achieve more, to achieve in science, in engineering, or whatever. I wish I was a scientist or a math or programmer, something like that. Thank you for listening. Hope make you think about this. Thank you for listening. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.